4x4. Normal car usually can go inside.
Cannot park outside.
Oh, normal car park outside. Nah, bagi korang tengok, dia servis kereta 4x4 Hurricane dekat sini. Masuk minyak semua dekat sini. Hurricane Performance. So banyak jeep lah, jeep dekat sini lah. Nanti kita nak masuk desert. Basically hari ni memang ekstrim lah. Perut kena kental. Kalau tidak, muntah tau. Okay, so nanti kita punya Abang Ronaldo ni, CR7. Muka dia macam Ronaldo tengok. Dia akan bawa kereta ni, bawa kita masuk desert. Halo Ronaldo.
Ya.
Ha.
So later you subscribe his YouTube channel.
You know how to play football?
Football? No. Not that. He go to the Ronaldo football match.
Tengok dia punya engine. Ya. Kita memang base letak, mereka punya kereta ni memang base letak EXN. So kita nak proof dia boleh tahan panas. Habuk kereta ni.
It's first time. Oh, first time. Some first time.
Pakai EXN punya minyak engine. Basically Jeep mereka buat modification, dia tambah semua accessory dekat sini. They add all this accessory at this shop. Can custom like this one. See, quite different, right? Inside right here can hang all your phone. Shoo! From this side.
You know, Jeep Wrangler is very small. You can
Ada U.A.D ni.
Okay guys, let's go to the desert. Jom. Hurricane Performance. Kena check switch, make sure dia punya semua coolant okay, fan jalan. Sebab night desert dia sangat panas.
Go safe.
So pastikan korang kena faham, kita sengaja datang Dubai kali ni sebabkan betul-betul kita nak proven EXN punya oil memang tak ada hard sell guys. Sebab itu kita datang ke Dubai. Kita nak proof. Kalau Dubai dah boleh tahan panas, tempat lain tak payah test lagi lah guys. Sekarang punya cuaca aku rasanya pun panas lagi tapi okey sikit daripada tadi. Macam mana pun naik desert korang tahu dia punya suhu. Okay, let's go. Ini dia bukan heavy duty ya. Ini super duty. Ford super duty. Ni besar loh, sangat-sangat besar ni. Kalau kita masuk desert, memang syok. Yang ni kecil. Yang ini gila guys. Gila. Kau tengok dia punya size. Dia punya wide. Gila bapak siap. Besar gila. Ford Super Duty. Macam lori yo. Guys, korang tengok yang ini. Aku yang seorang yang tak suka Jeep. Lepas korang datang Dubai, korang macam boleh jadi suka Jeep tau. Mereka punya modification ni gila-gila tau. Dia rare. Kalau dekat Malaysia ada, tapi mana ada modified sampai macam ni, kan?
serious.
Brother, you don't drive so fast, okay? I scared.
It's okay. Just go.
Okay.
Adrian experience. So we going all the way to desert.
Maybe he'll buy Jeep after he got like 45 minutes we will reach
So
there.
I just
This one
put here.
CR7 will drive. Okay.
Ya. Aku sekarang naik dengan Ronaldo.
See you there. So your
CR7.
friend coming?
Yeah, Prince will take you.
Your friends will take me.
No experience in desert, right?
Yeah, no experience, first time bro.
You don't have there in Malaysia, right?
God, but we don't have desert. We got this type of car. But
Let's show you the desert. Oh, let's go, let's go.
how many horsepower this car?
350.
Oh,
Yeah, but the torque is very high.
the torque is
Yeah,
almost
and
600.
Yeah, around that.
Around that, 500 something torque,
No, let's say 400 something.
400 something torque.
Yeah.
So means the engine also already modified.
Yeah, there is a forged piston connect and there is...
Forged piston inside.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
It's not original piston.
Turbo, right?
No, it's
Natural aspirated. NA.
you can show them the
Okay. 42 Celsius.
heat.
8 right now.
No, sure. Show them the way weather. It's very hot now.
Yeah. Just now was 47 outside.
Hello?
This one is a manual. This one auto.
Yes.
I want to ask you, this car usually normal driving at Dubai without modification, the temperature everything okay?
Yeah, everything okay. Now I'm using daily drive also, this car.
So in case if we go into the desert,
Yes.
need to modify it.
Need to modify, but if, like little driving,
Normal, slow
normal,
driving,
okay, you can enjoy with that.
the radiator, everything they can.
This car fully modified because this car is made for desert only.
Okay.
Like we drive only weekend. This car we start the car only for weekend, but now I'm using daily use
Yeah.
also.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
we don't have problem. Even with the police, with everything, there's no problem.
So you can feel, actually you can feel any difference after you use the EXN oil compared to other oil.
Exactly. The first things I see it is the oil heat.
Oil temperature.
Oil heat, yeah.
Now it's currently
And-
running on 83.
Yes.
Just only 83. At Malaysia, even my car,
And it's very
90.
very hot in Dubai. So people
Yeah.
maybe they don't know.
only 83.
Yes. See the heating in Dubai.
Even my car right now at Malaysia, we just driving like this, 89.
Really?
Yep.
Dubai. بشر تأخر؟ إذا تأخروا تعال بتجيبني، إذا خلصوا بسرعة تقدر تروح للبيت؟ برا طلعتهم. رمادية؟ إيش فيها؟ والله العظيم أنا
Now I look like a vlogger.
يا أخي
Like
خلك من
Mike
هاي. أنت
okay.
مو كلمت أمير دايركت. لا
Hitch
حق الفلوس
hiking.
أكيد بس والله العظيم بعطيك إياها رخيصة. يا أخي اسمع.
if you know Mike okay, comment below.
لا حبيبي انسى. تعرف برغي ما بخلي لأن بالتكلفة والله.
Your boss say the Jeepney no good.
My boss. That is very nice. Very nice. So,
It's too small.
you know the plate number on this car?
Yeah.
It costs you more than
Oh, 51155.
$20,000.
Oh, so expensive.
It's
Means
expensive than the car.
it's a rich guy.
He like this car, cheap
Yeah.
car, but he's a rich guy.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
You put the plate number.
Yeah.
Anything to drink?
Drink. I think some chocolate.
Protein.
Energy. Some energy. Enough? The chocolate enough? So I think I need more chocolate. Shit man. Aku punya battery out of aku punya apa dia? Out of battery. Can you help me? Aku punya ni bukan out of battery, sorry. What should we get? Some energy drink right here. Red Bull. Monster Energy. So basically saya punya SD card sudah full.
Sa kalau taking video.
Oh okay, sorry. Fuck guys, I'm still SD card full right now. Okay, sorry. I guess I'm gonna change my camera for a while. Okay, let's change to the Insta360 AcePro2. Tak cukup memory card. Lupa nak transfer file sebab semalam tidur. Tak boleh tahan. Oh, I drink later, never mind. Can put here. This cup can put here. Here, is it can?
No.
Oh, okay.
I will.
This is on the way to the desert, nearby desert. Because I can see it's no building.
Yeah, we just start now.
Okay.
Yeah, you will see the dunes on desert.
Oh. macam ni pun dah nak muntah. Nanti naik desert lagi muntah. Yeah man, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, smoke, it's okay. Yeah. What cigarette is that?
It's made in Korea.
Oh, Korea?
Like almost 80% of Arabic people, they use this.
Oh.
Here it's not famous. Bring it from Iran.
Can I try one?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks. I tried to use the Insta360 AcePro2. Because this one the memory card full. Oh, this one very light, very light. Welcome to Dubai, Habibi style.
This is the most car buying in Dubai, selling and buying.
Petrol?
Yeah.
Nissan petrol.
In every home of local people,
Sure, what?
one of these cars should be.
Cheap, easy.
No, it's not cheap.
Oh, your phone screen.
It's not cheap. It's very expensive.
This car, petrol.
From 2003 till now, same design, same everything.
Ya, same. Dekat Dubai, lama-lama sekali kena hisap rokok. So kita pun layan je lah kan. Layan saja. This car.
Wait them here.
Okay.
You want to see them?
Nah, it's okay. Nutella. Wait. They need to stir. Because the oil is at the top. Okay. So guys. Oh, sorry. Next time, I change to become a travel vlog. I come to Dubai again. Malaysia. I also don't know actually. But Malaysia is small a bit. Not very big. Medium size.
Like Arab, it's 45, 50 like that.
Let me search how many people in Malaysia. Malaysia is 35 million. UAE?
In local or total?
Total
11.
11 million. 11 million.
Yeah. Local 2.1.
No, I mean impossible. Malaysia got 35 million. No, I mean people, human.
Yeah. Here 11.
Means Malaysia more bigger? No, impossible. You mean it's just only Dubai or the UAE? UAE is only 11 million. Is it? Means Malaysia,
Including the Indian, Pakistani, another countries.
UAE, Pakistan, not UAE, right?
It's 10.5.
10.5. Malaysia only 35 million.
From this 10.5, 2.5 local, no less. Less than 2. Yeah.
This one. Only Muslim in Malaysia, 21 million.
Where?
Muslim. Actually, in Malaysia a lot of Muslims.
Yeah, I know,
Malay.
man.
Yeah.
Wow.
Energy drink. We switch the wrong drink. I buy the Monster. He buy the Red Bull, but I take the Red Bull.
Okay.
Say hi. So they all done?
Yeah, we are 3 minutes away,
Oh,
right?
Yeah.
So just very near, right?
Well, yeah.
So the car actually, their car can go inside a bit, but cannot go inside.
Totally. That's car?
Cannot.
Yeah, he will park outside.
Oh, you park outside there. It's like some place for you all to park outside.
Yeah,
Like,
there is.
Okay.
We are renting one front also, yeah, for the cars. This
Pardon?
local from UAE.
This guy.
No, this guy. One guy is coming now. I'll just go.
Your friend, the Jimny.
No, he will come by jeep because I just told him that you don't like Jimny, so he put it.
No, I just kidding. It's your boss don't like. It's not me don't like. Your boss don't like Jimny.
He seems very happy.
They're doing vlog. Very happy. You know, bro, memory card full.
Oh, really?
Fuck, man. Yeah, can use this.
The sunset is nice.
Yeah, but I feel this one better right now. For POV driving, this one better.
Let his organ drop out.
No.
Like
Thank
last
you.
time, what you do to me, do to him.
I will do.
No.
It's no
Don't,
problem.
bro.
No, it's not that much scary.
Yeah, experience. But you all go inside very deep.
This for
This for kids.
Yeah, you can say that. For people, they are new in Dubai.
Newbie, kids, baby playing this one.
You know, all they pay to be here.
Sunset.
Hello. Yeah, go in the front after this recovery.
Oh, so it's only right here, is it?
We have shop to reduce the pressure of the tire.
Okay. Oh yo, don't play. So now I think I'm gonna change to, because we are driving into the desert, I think we need to change to Habibi style. Let's go. Need to seat belt, right? Yep. Habibi style. You promise me no vomit?
He fucked up.
Best.
Oh, ada kat sini yang tung sahur. Dia wujud dekat sini. Oi.
Habibi, apa macam?
Jam, Habibi jam.
From Malaysia.
Super rig.
Ah.
Yep.